Yo, what's going on my people? HumidityLiquidity here. Welcome back to a brand new video. So in today's video, we're going to be trading the Nasdaq. So over here, we have an order block here, the shaded out area. Okay. Now price has come to that order block and is starting to reverse. So over here, I'm just going to enter. Okay, so on the 30-second chart, so it's displacing. Okay, so we have this 15-minute order block that we're reversing from. Now, why am I taking a buy? So what's happened? Okay, so FOMC was at 2 o'clock. What happened at 2? We took this sell side liquidity. Over here, we look at the S&P. What do we see? Lower high, lower low. We've taken out that low over there. And then on the Nasdaq, we have a lower low to low high. So if we go back to this chart, take into account this SMT, we have that cracking correlation. And we have this larger break of structure, of course, and then the minor break over here. So yeah, here we're looking for buys, looking to take profit above there. I'm looking to take my other entries after this time that I've marked out. But once we do take out this high, I'll be looking to enter for some more entries. So yeah, let me just move this. Let me put this. So yeah. Here we have an SMT. Let's mark that out. SMT with the S&P. Okay, so buy stops up here. Stop loss over here at the body. So here we're getting some displacement. We want to see that high be broken. If not, then still waiting for a trade. So yeah, 30 minutes has passed from FOMC. So it's time to start trading. Let's have a look at the executions. So here, right there, enter again. Okay. Okay, now let's see how this closes. We'll add 2 more. Okay, so this is a nice closure. That's what we want to see. That displacement right there. So yeah, all coming off this 15-minute order block. Now back on the 1-minute time frame. Starting to displace nicely. Now, where am I targeting? So here is the easiest target here. But long term, for the week or for even the next few weeks, will be this high over here, around 500 points. So within this week or next week, we should be reaching that. That's the overall target. But for today, I will be taking majority profit or some profits at this high, or let's see, so around the 100 points I'll be taking profit. So let's see, from the entry, my main take profit area will be this rejection block from the 15 minute. Okay, so back down to the 1 minute. So what do you see here? We're coming into a fair value gap. What does that mean? Entry time. So yeah, we have this fair value gap here. And yeah, there's that order block. These two down close candles. Fair value gap entry over here as well. And yeah, just keeping everything as simple as possible. Back in that fair value gap. Let's have a look. Also at the 62%. So yeah, we want to see this one start rejecting. We don't want to see any closure below. So let's see here. We chased a bit deeper. I'm going to add one more entry soon. Let's have a look on the 30-second. This is a bullish close, I'll enter. I'll count that as it. Okay, so here we should start going up now. And yeah, I'm done for my entries. I was going to start entering within this time interval, entering the re-entries and the pyramids, but we'll see. So here I'm just going to move my stop loss a bit up here. And yeah, displacement should start. Give it one more re-entry here, that displacement. So be something like this. So yeah, if you were to enter normally. Okay, so it's going to be entering on my actual account, aiming for about the same take profit. Okay, so I nearly forgot to enter on my MetaTrader. Okay, so here I had an entry around here on the MetaTrader, so close to forgetting it. So just hold up. Okay, so that first take profit is up here. Look to trade, look to take some profit here. That is my take profit on MetaTrader, around there. So yeah, let's see what we get. So yeah, traded a lot today. Here we have another fair value gap. Could enter off that. But yeah, here fair value gap is coming to that order block, and that 30-second interval gave a beautiful entry, but I didn't enter it. Already in deep. Okay, so yeah, simple stuff here. Hope this was insightful, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Time to play this quick. Okay, so we're gonna do partials for these two areas, and the full take profit will be that 1 hour market maker buy model. Let's see if we can get a swing trade as well. But yeah, see you guys in the next one, and let's see how this trade plays out. Just marking the wick of this order block. Just do with a line, keep it clean there. So yeah, 15-minute order block, 1 minute fair value gap, 1 minute order block, and now reaching up with shear and not a speed. Simple trading, keeping everything basic. And yeah, so move this time interval now, since I'm going to be off the charts, and it's going to speed it up when we hit take profit. It'll be all good. And now I can move the trade to break even, since if we do come back down here, then it's probably invalid. Okay, so yeah, hope you guys found this insightful, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. Lovely jubbly, already hit take profit before I even went. Okay, cool.